I have to do this video like super fast. I worked a bunch of weddings this morning, and then I am actually, well, I had a bunch of clients for weddings this morning, and then I'm actually attending a wedding. So I am trying to get my hair done real fast. So I want to show you guys, I call it my Crave. Hey Danielle. I call it my Crave hair tutorial. So basically I kind of made up the name, I think. I don't think anyone else has came up with this, but maybe they have. I mean, this is a thing, but this is kind of what I call it. So it's not crimping, it's not wavy, it's like something in between, so I call it the Crave. Every time I do it, Luke is like, oh, I love your hair. So I thought I would do it like this for the wedding I'm attending today. So to get started, I am going to start giving my hair some volume with some dry shampoo. This is a Tresemme kind. I will say that I'm only using this because this was what Luke picked up for me the other day, because they didn't have Batiste, which is the kind that I normally use. Batiste is my favorite kind, but this one, it does an okay job. It smells pretty good, but the thing I don't like about it is that I feel like it puts a lot of product in my hair in not a good way. So I'm going to get started with showing you guys how I do this. So I have my straightener, and this is going to be pretty hard to do well. Actually, let me grab another mirror 1 second. Oh, where did I put it? Oh. Okay, sorry. So I'm going to put this mirror over here so I can see what I'm doing. Okay, so I'm going to start with a section of hair, and I'm going to use my straightener, and I'm going to go up, down, straight. So I keep my, what's it called? I keep the end straight. Wow, this is really hard to see in here. I'm going to move those comments out of the way. Okay, so then I'm going to go up, down, straight. And it makes a really pretty wave, crimpy wave. And I do this with my hair with my hair half up all the time. And I found that it like makes it look like you aren't really trying, but you kind of are trying. It's just seriously the quickest hair style that I found to make it look like I'm kind of trying, but like not trying too hard. And it looks really cute. So I wasn't planning to do this hairstyle for the wedding, but you know what? I ended up having no time. So this is what I'm doing. So this is what I call my Crave hairstyle, my crimp wave. And then once you get it to where you want it, you can tease more. So it's super easy. Like, I feel like anyone can do this. Even on your like first attempt, I guarantee it's gonna look really nice. Now this is like the undone look, so if you like a more done up look, and then you just kind of keep doing the same thing to the back of your hair. If you want an undone look, this is gonna be for you. And I know that people are going to be asking about the hair tutorial that I did the other day, the top knot. So if you guys are like struggling with your top knot, I'm gonna go live with someone with long hair. I'm gonna get a volunteer so that I can show you guys how I would do that top knot with long hair. Because I had a few people say, oh, I think it was just because, you know, your length of hair. And I'm like, no, really, you can do it too. So that is how I do the Crave hairstyle. Get a ton of compliments on this look. I encourage you to try it. And then you basically do it all the way around your hair. When you're with me live, let me know. When you're watching the replay, let me know too. Of course, I broke out with a huge blemish on my face the day of the wedding, but it's not a big deal because it's not my day. My cousin Tara is getting married, so I'm super excited. But all right, guys, I'm going to hop off here. I've got to go. Thanks for watching Mama Beauty Boot Camp. I'll see you tomorrow.